Now here the ED 2030 push yonzi yokonzeresa disaster yonzi youya ichiwedzera kuparara kwenyika yeZimbabwe yagara zvayo yange yatova mumapieces yatova mabhembe zvayo nokuda kwevakomana vari kunzi vari kufamba kwese kwese vachinoita an ED 2030 push. Iri kuonekwa kuti that move iri at the expense yemacitizens. Sedapina mashoko anoda chinogwa panapa bepanharo the news channel subscribe like on the bell like tipina mzara nhasi vanokutisa this headline questions ED 2030 push a recipe for disaster. Tiendera mberi nomudanyo rachiti politician jealousy Mawarire says President Emmerson Mnangagwa should leave his loyalists to hang dry in their controversial push to extend his term to 2030, claiming that the initiative is driving a wedge through an already divided ruling party. Mawarire was once the spokesperson of Zimbabwe People's First, led by former Vice President Joyce Mujuru, the National Patriotic Front that was linked to the late Robert Mugabe. He argued that the push for the extension of the presidential term from 2028 to 2030 has resulted in illegal fundraising activities, like the move to make beneficiaries of the land reform pay $500 for every hectare allocated to them. Mawarire said the move to have beneficiaries of the fast track land reform program pay for the land they are currently occupying will generate outside government around $6.6 billion that Mnangagwa's ED 2030 agenda proponents. Domashoko anomudaitoka panapa panakomana the Newsday vachiti this 2030 agenda haina ana fairness. Tikuona kuti iri kutoenda zvayo against macitizens. Tiona mamwe fundraising ari kuitiwa mari dzichingobuda nhau dzemaland reform vanhu vari vachikomberana vachiti panguva yaSmith zvinenge zvaitombowa nani. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi? Muna comment section medu. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.